Ever wonder why some folks seem to glide through a casino like they know every secret? I used to think it was all luck, until I figured out how to read the room and pick the right games. Let's walk through some real casino floor secrets so you can play smarter right from the start. Casinos? They're designed to keep you in, not help you win. The loosest slots? They're usually right by the front doors, food courts, or busy walkways, places everyone sees. The machines hidden back in the corners, those are the ones I avoid. Now before you hit any button or take a seat, check the pay table. On video poker I always look for a 9/6, jacks or better machine. 9-1 for a full house, 6-1 for a flush. If you see 8/5 or anything lower, keep moving. Those sneaky numbers mean a bigger cut for the house and a lot less fun for your wallet. Here's a little pro tip. The better the pay table, the lower the house edge. With perfect play, a 9/6 jacks or better game has about a 0.5% house edge. That's as good as it gets on most casino floors. Table games, don't just jump in. I watch a few hands and check the rules. For blackjack, I want a 3-2 payout for blackjack. Dealer stands on soft 17 and double after split. If it's 6-5 payouts, I'm gone. That house edge, it adds up faster than you think, and don't ignore those minimum bets. A $25 table can drain you fast, sometimes 5 times as fast as a $5 table. On slots, betting less than max might mean you're not even eligible for jackpots, so always read the fine print. Timing matters too. Crowded weekends, tighter games, fewer chances. I like a quiet Tuesday afternoon. Better odds, less rush, more focus. So remember, casinos aren't about luck. They're about making smart choices. Use the floor, read the numbers, and always play where the odds are in your favor. If you picked up a smarter way to play, hit like and subscribe for more straight shooting casino tips, right here on No Frills Videos.